Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be showing you how we made the profit and how you can make consistent profit like us. I'll be showing you everything, and also I'll be showing you my order books and all the things, and also we'll be doing the live market analysis. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, 10th of August, Monday today, and the time is almost 9:02, and the pre-open market session is now opened, and the market is looking like positive today, so 0.70% up almost, and a lot of indices in the events like Nifty 50, PSU Bank, Reality, Pharma, FMGC, Bank, and Nifty IT. So these are the indices which are in the event. So we'll be doing the live trade today, so we'll see what stock I can trade. So we'll decide it after the pre-open market closes and when the market opens. So market might have a good movement today, so let's see how it will perform. So pre-open market session is still running. Okay, so we'll see what happens in the pre-open market. So guys, the pre-open market session is now closed and the market is 0.50% up. That is, Nifty is opening at 11,270.25 today, and advances stocks are 47 that are in uptrend, and decline stocks are only 2, and unchanged stock is only 1. So according to this, the market is looking very bullish. So we'll see how the market will perform once it opens. And Cipla is almost 4% up, 4.30% up, and HDFC Life 1.49% up. And coming to the stock which is in down in pre-open market is only Indalco, that is like only 0.39% down, and Infi is like 0.21% down, and the unchanged stock was Bajaj Auto. So this is what happened today in pre-open market session. So we'll see on what stock I can trade today. So I'll be showing you my live trades and everything once the market opens. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people have joined my course and now they're making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did. So guys, right now we are trading on SBIN. So we are in the buy side of SBIN around 193. So we'll see how far the stock will perform and how the stock will go. And the market is looking bullish today again. Okay, so we'll see how the SBIN will perform. So guys, as you can see, the Nifty is continuing to go up. So Nifty is almost 0.86% up now, and the stock will also go up. So we'll see how it performs. We are almost near the target now. So guys, as you can see, SBIN is now almost 1% target is achieved from the rate where I bought. So it's at 195 now. So it's give a good performance, and also as you can see, Nifty is almost 1% up now. Okay, so as we predicted in the pre-open market session, the Nifty went in the positive side in the upper trend. So I have planned to book the profit now in SBIN. So we'll see how the SBIN will perform. So we'll be exiting soon, or we'll see how the uptrend continues in SBIN as of now. So guys, I just exited on my SBIN trade and I booked a profit of almost 14,400 rupees, as you guys can see. So let me just show you my order book. So I just traded on almost like 8,000 quantity on SBIN. So just within like 20 minutes I was able to book this profit. So around 9:23 I entered around 193.30, and around 9:46 I just sold it around 195.10. Okay, so this is a trade what I took today on SBIN, and this was the profit what I was able to achieve today. And also this was the call which was given to my client also, even they booked a profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also as you can see, the high made as of now is 195.50. So even the market is going up. So anyways guys, we are done for today and we booked the profit in SBIN. So, and also these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So 1,530 rupees profit, 2,500 rupees profit, 2,315 rupees profit, and 3,220 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we were able to achieve today in today's state of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.